In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Arculus wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer any crypto asset that you have on Coinbase to your Arculus wallet. This will be done by acquiring the wallet address from Arculus and then using the send function within Coinbase. So to start, I recommend opening the Arculus app first. You can do this process starting with the Coinbase app, but regardless, if you do it through Arculus, you will be able to get the receiving wallet address first. In here, choose the specific address that you will be transferring, or if needed, choose the option to manage assets at the bottom and add the asset that you will be transferring over if it is not already on the list. It is as simple as toggling it on or off. Once you have a specific asset that you will be sending from Coinbase, tap on it. When you tap on the asset, you will see how much you have, and then the option to receive or send. Since we want to transfer from Coinbase to Arculus, choose the option to receive. So this will give you a QR code and the actual wallet address that you can copy. It doesn't matter which one you use to make this transfer, they will both redirect to the same wallet, but you have to choose one. So either copy the wallet address manually or scan the QR code later. Now, within Coinbase, choose the option to send. You can also tap on a specific crypto asset to see the details, see the graph, see how much you have, and the send option will also be available. Upon tapping send, you can specify the amount that you will be sending, either in your own local currency or in the amount of the crypto asset. And finally, on the destination, all that you have to do is add the wallet address that you copied. So you will be able to send it to a wallet address, the one that you copied from Arculus. So upon pasting it here, you can initiate the transfer and it should go through. Be aware of any included fees, and I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that everything was set up properly, and then you can send the rest. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Arculus wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.